So I've been in the e-skate world for like a month now. The first time I tried it, I was a bit nervous. But now I feel like I could just get on a board and go. Yeah, I did it! That was good. That was fun. I love this board. Welcome to my channel where I like to review cool products, and this one is a cool one. This is the N-Skate R3 electric skateboard. It's pretty exciting when I can do something like this and get out of the house, learn a new skill. I'm still getting a little bit, I'm working on it. If you are new here and you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, links to everything I'm talking about if you want to pick up this board are in the description, plus a surprise link and possibly a coupon code, so make sure you check that out. There's always cool things and tidbits down there. All right, so let's talk about the deck. This is a 38-inch deck. It has 8 layers of maple, which makes it nice and solid. At its widest point, it's 9.5 inches, which is good for people that have bigger feet. You know what they say, bigger feet, bigger deck. So 90mm wheels all around, 78A hardness wheels on the front, and hub motors on the back. It's a 36-volt battery, which they claim is 22 miles range, but we'll test that out on another video. And down here, they have a really reliable ESC from Hobbywing, which matches perfectly with the dual 450-watt hub motors. So that's the specs, but how does that translate into the real world? So let's go for a ride. By the way, Scott Davies, how did I do on that?
Did someone say e-skate?
Apparently, if you say e-skate 3 times, this guy shows up.
Whilst looking in a mirror.
While looking at your camera.
Yeah. Again, it's a really good beginner board, intermediate board, good board for going around campus. It's not going to compete with your $2,000–3,000 boards, but it's a really good entry point into the market.
By the way, if this is your first time tuning in to this channel, Scott Davies, he's become a regular. We're both YouTubers and live pretty close by, so it's kind of nice having him around, especially when he can get shots like this. Oh. Wow, that's smooth. I like this. I'm in low mode right now, but it feels like I'm going a pretty decent speed. 20? 20? This is 20? That was uphill and that was like nothing. Oh yeah, that's nice. Wow. That stopped so quick. Uh-oh, bus. So controlling the board is a standard Hobbywing remote. It's quite simple actually, just a few buttons and dials here, but actually very responsive. And sometimes I think simpler is better, especially when you're learning. The 3 modes, slow, medium, and high, easy to change, and you can also go from forward to reverse in a pinch, and it's got a really, really responsive brake, like that. And just a really good kick up too. Man, this board rocks. If you're somebody that's always wanted to try this, you should look into this board right here, because this is a really, really nice board. It's very smooth, very comfortable. I feel very confident on this board. I'm going a lot faster than I ever thought I'd ever go on an electric skateboard. And I'm talking to a camera at the same time. This board actually has its own individuality. I've seen a lot of e-skate reviews, and a lot of those boards look the same. And with all those specs and features that I just laid out, put that together in this one package, it turns into a really reliable skateboard. And this comes in under $500 and maybe even cheaper with the discount code. Check the link. So to wrap up this video, I just want to say thank you to N-Skate for sending it to me. It's kind of nice to be able to try different boards to see which one feels good, especially for a beginner. I'm feeling more and more confident, and I kind of want to just do this every day to get better and better. I still love to e-scoot, but this is becoming a lot of fun. All right, again, thank you, Scott, for helping out with this.
Always.
And check him out, check out his channel. Don't just check him out. Check out his channel. A lot of cool stuff he does. Man, actually, you do a lot of really cool stuff.
I try.
He tries. If you want to see exclusive live streams, content, and giveaways, check out the memberships. We're actually doing a live stream on my memberships right now. So click that join button and check it out. Really cheap and fun and a great community there. Also, I have a podcast called Tech is Hard. You want to check that out. It's a very fun weekly deep dive into tech and being YouTubers and creators. Always a good conversation. Check that out. It's not popular, but it could be if you subscribe. So you know, do that. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.